Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am going to be unboxing and sharing with you some new items that I have purchased from Amazon. So let's get into this. This is the box that came from Amazon, so I'm not sure whether it will be packaged in another box within this one. They do like their packaging. Oh, right. So much paper. Let's get rid of this. And yeah, as expected, much more sensible packaging. So, it's just a plain box. So, I know I've unboxed a few LightPads in the past, but I thought I'd treat myself. This one is cordless, so there'll be no more forgetting it's plugged in and yeah, so let's have a look. And it came with some goodies. So let's see what we've got. We've got a little accessory pack. I'll move that to one side. We'll look at that in a bit. This is a USB-C connector, I guess for charging. Let's get rid of the box. Oh. So let's have a look size-wise. What have we got here? Very well packaged. Okay, so little quality control sticker. It says, so this is an LED light pad or tracing writing board for copying cartoons, animations. We all know what a light pad is. This one, you can adjust the brightness and also the warmth of the light. So we'll have a look at that. And it says you can also charge from a laptop. So basically, I think anything that you can plug the USB into, you should be able to charge this from, which is very good. Let's just have a look. Nothing else on there. If it's, yeah, I was going to say, if it's like my other one, then this is a magnetic clip. We can see it's marked as 0 to 29.5 centimeters here and to just over 38 centimeters on this side, which I think makes it about A3. This is roughly an A3 folder, so yeah, I think we're looking at a reasonable A3 size. Let's see, I don't know if it's got any power at the moment, so we'll have a look. Oh, yes it does. Okay, mind your eyes, sorry. Okay, so it comes pre-charged, which is great. Let's just see, we've got, okay, that is our brightness, which is always difficult to show on camera because the camera sort of compensates for it. And then we've got, if we press the power button, that gives us the different warmths, the different sort of colour tones. So you can set it to whatever works for you. Just looking at, okay, so there's a protective film on the front. I'll just pull that off. Oh. There we go. Oh, sticky. Right, so yeah, the lovely. That all seems to be working absolutely fine. Again, we've got the magnetic clip there that will stop things from falling down. Additionally, this is completely different from any of the other ones I've got. We've got this stand now. I don't want to break it. How do I open it? That one. Okay, just I need to be less worried. So, as you can see, we've got this fold-away built-in stand, and you can choose what angle you would like it at. Let's see how that is. Oh, that's very sturdy. I was expecting it to be flimsy. I genuinely, and yeah, I thought it would be more flimsy, but actually it is fine. It's very sturdy, and that's a nice angle actually for working at. So yeah, pleased with that so far. Obviously, let's see how long the cable is. So we'll use this to measure. So that's 38, 7. Right, I would say that's maybe 1.5 meters. It's over 1 meter. Let's try that again. 3, 6, 9, 120, 150. Yeah, just over 1.5 meters of cable. So that's really good. There really is nothing worse than getting a device that's got a teeny tiny cable on it. So absolutely no complaints there. As I say, I don't feel the need to test this out because it's already got some charge on it, which is lovely. If I can find out how long it will run for from a single charge, I will put that info on the screen here, because it doesn't say on this little bit of paper, and I cannot remember if it said it on the Amazon listing. So let's look at the goodies that came with it. I'll just move this and lay it down. So we get one container for storage of drills. When I first started diamond painting, this was what I used for storing my drills. There we go. So yeah, they come in blocks of 4 that are attached together. So, and then can all be kept in there. Nothing wrong with that at all. Yeah. Ooh, she says not being able to close it. There we go, that's better. Right. So one of those, and then let's see what's in here. Ooh, I don't have a tray this size. I do have a blue tray a bit like this, with a spout, but I don't have anything that size. That will be interesting to have a go at using. It looks like it's got nicely, clearly defined ridges and quite high sides. Get your standard moss for boat, standard green boat, and then obviously these are great. I use these a lot for storing drills and storing projects that I'm partway through. And then in here, obviously a lot of this is not going to be so useful for me, although there are some good multi-places, the nice thin ones, some plasticky tweezers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the pink drill pens, all with different multi-places and single places. All good. We also get stickers, which will always come in handy. So how many you've got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 rows of 8. We've got a nice big straightener. I don't have one of these, so that's brilliant. I know a lot of storage kits come with these now. I just have never ended up with one. Oh wow, a frankly ridiculously large amount of wax. Is that 2 they're stuck together? No, just slightly thicker. So yeah, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so 20 squares of wax. And then, I'm sure you don't need me to count these little bags, but yeah, a fairly good wad of bags there as well. So I think this is pretty good. It is at the higher end price wise compared to the other light boxes that you'll have seen me unbox, light pads that you've seen me unbox. However, as soon as you move to one that is self-contained and cordless, you do go up a price bracket. And I think even discounting the little bonus bits and bobs that it came with, I still think it is a very fair price. I was able to get it on Prime, which meant free shipping. It was, I think because of the time that I ordered it, it took 2 days to get here. Probably if I'd ordered it earlier in the day, it would have been here the day after. So really good. I'm very pleased with it. I'm gonna have a little test of it using a diamond painting, and I will pop in some footage here so you can see that. And then I will come back to you at the end. Okay, so it's been too long since I started filming this because in the meantime I have been very ill, as you can probably hear from my voice, and so I've had to take a break from filming and in fact haven't been able to diamond paint very much. However, this is where I got to with this piece. It was really nice to work on the light board. I'm just going to turn that off for a sec. Oh, it's not even off. There we go, off. Definitely made a difference with the darker symbols, particularly as we've got some up in the corner where there is a black letter on a dark green, sort of khaki green background. So that's really great. And I will, when I finish this, I'll do a proper post review so I can talk to you about the canvas itself. However, we are here to talk about light boards and all that they come with. The only other issue that I had in terms of accessories is that, in fact it's not so bad now, but I was finding that the round drills got stuck a bit in here. I think this tray would probably be all right with squares because they're a little bit smaller, although I haven't tested that, so don't quote me. It's also, I realised, it's a little bit bowed. I think probably just putting it under some books for a bit would probably fix that. And it's not the end of the world. I have other trays. Those, accessories that you get with this really are just kind of bonuses. What you're here for is getting a nice cord-free light board with all the colour changing that it does, built-in stand and a magnetic holder at the top. This is what we're here for. So just to finish off, because I realise this has been going on for a while, on Amazon, this is listed currently at $49.99. That is for the A3 LightPad, which has got 6 adjustable brightnesses, and the colour differentials, excuse me, sorry, and is a Type-C power cord for charging it. That also gets you the additional bits and pieces that go with it. So yeah, really, really lovely. I couldn't be happier. This will definitely be, I think, my go-to LightPad from now on. How many of you that are watching this use LightPads? I would be interested to know. I find that certain companies, I don't need a LightPad, but then with others, it's definitely more of a necessity. So I will leave links below. I have purchased ELICE products before and they have always been good quality, especially for the price. As I said before, this is the higher end, but I think you're getting quality. And yeah, there's nothing that feels cheap or flimsy about this. So that's really lovely. I'm going to finish this here, go and get a drink because I can feel my voice going again. And I will look forward to seeing you in my next video, where I will also be revealing the winner of my subscriber competition from the previous video, which I will also link down below, or maybe up in the eye. You'll see it. I'll make it known to you. So that is all from me for today. As always, if you like my content, please do consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when I put up new videos. I try to do at least one video a week. If you subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.